Your BeHear headset is ready to use out of the box. It comes pre-programmed with 4 different hearing presets or profiles: indoor, outdoor, crowd, and live music. BeHear now lets you customize its hearing enhancement properties using a built-in hearing assessment. After you perform the assessment, the results are automatically applied to the existing hearing profiles to suit your own preferences. This is done using the BeHear app. So, if you haven't done so already, download the app and pair your device. To start the hearing assessment, you need to find a quiet environment. If it's too noisy, you won't be able to perform the assessment. I guess I should find a quieter place. Much better. Now we can start. There are 2 types of hearing assessments: basic and advanced. You can change the type of hearing assessment in the settings menu. The default option is the basic. Let's start with that. Choose Hearing Assessment from the menu. Depending on your surroundings, the ambient noise signal will show one of 3 colors. Green, for low ambient noise. Conditions are perfect for the test. Yellow, for moderate ambient noise. It is recommended to relocate to a quieter environment if possible. Red, for high ambient noise. Accurate results cannot be obtained for this type of environment, so the test cannot be performed. The hearing assessment starts with the left ear, goes through 6 different frequencies, one at a time, and then repeats with the right ear. The bar in the middle is the hearing threshold. Slowly slide the dot upwards until you can clearly hear the tones being played. You can also control the hearing threshold with the smartphone's volume controls. Once you can clearly hear the tones, slide the dot down slowly until you reach the lowest level in which the frequency is audible. Notice the current level is numbered. You can do this as many times as needed to find the correct sound level for you. After you determine your hearing threshold for the frequency, tap Done, and repeat with each of the frequencies for both ears. When you have finished providing input for both ears, your results will appear in graph form. You can choose to view each ear separately or both together by choosing the desired parameter in the auxiliary menu. Now, let's switch to the advanced hearing assessment. In the advanced assessment, you have 2 scales. The scale on the left, hearing threshold, is the same as in the basic assessment. The scale on the right, comfortable level, measures the point at which the volume is most comfortable to you. For each frequency, begin by setting the hearing threshold just as you did in the basic hearing assessment. After setting the hearing threshold, slide the comfortable level dot to a point where the frequency volume is comfortable, not too loud and not too soft. You can do this as many times as needed to find the correct setting for you. After you determine the setting for each frequency, tap Done on the bottom. You will repeat this exercise for a total of 6 frequencies for each ear. When you have finished, your results will appear in graph form. As I mentioned in the beginning, the assessment results will now update the 4 existing hearing profiles. BeHear can also be customized further in real time to suit your current circumstances using the app. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, contact us here.